How's it going, everyone? This is the WORKPRO folding utility knife, and it's very, very tiny of a utility knife. So it's something you definitely can pack around in your pocket or keep on your belt, and it's just super, super small and tiny for a pocket knife. So that's what it is right there. So it's a nice metal feel, aluminum style design. It's got that little clip right there, so you can clip it on your belt or pocket, whatever you want to. And then to open it up, you're just gonna press this little button right there, and that little button will just enable it to just come just right out, just like that. We'd have this little protected plastic piece which you can take off and remove. It's just really tiny and small. I'll actually grab like one of your standard X-Acto knives, and you can see the standard X-Acto knife, it's just way thicker, right? So you can just see how kind of slim profile this one is, but when it expands out, it's nice and big, and nearly as big as your standard X-Acto knife, but a very, very slim profile. And if you want to remove the blade, you can remove the blade. So it's just push up right here and then just pull the blade right there. And this is your standard blade that you have. So these are fully replaceable. And then you just want to put it back in, you can just insert it right back in, hold up, and then just snaps right back in very, very nicely. But it's a very, very sharp blade just out of the box. I've already used this knife before, so it's a very, very handy knife. And then when you're done with it, you just press that little button and you just fold it really closed, and it locks in just into place like that.